So I got some flour, and then I had 2 glasses of flour. This is well, there's a small glass, as you can see. Two glasses of flour, 1 glass of water, but I didn't use all the water, as you can see. There's still a little bit left, and I've mixed it all up, made a dough. I broke it into 3 portions, and I couldn't eat 3. I could only eat 2. So this is the 3rd one. I had it in the fridge last night. It didn't have to be in the fridge. So I'll just show you. I've not got a rolling pin, so I'm just using this. What is this? Pestle or mortar? I don't know. But yeah, you get the idea. It's one of these. Yeah. I've got to be quiet. My neighbour's underneath. So I'm just using this as a little rolling pin. I'm making flatbread, so it's 2 cups of water. 2 cups of flour and 1 cup of water, and then just knead it like you do dough, you know. And now I'm just rolling it out so that it'll fit my frying pan. And this is dead simple to make. You don't need any yeast. You don't need any. That's it. Water and flour, simple as that, and salt. Yeah, I'd put a bit of salt in. The only reason why I've got salt in there is because I have this. It's like flake salt. Right? So I like to use that. So now I need a frying pan. I'll just show you. Shut up, Astral. Right. Put that on there. And that's nice. It's just a flatbread. I'll just show you how simple it is to make. It took about 10 minutes to dough up or to get knead up. Yeah. Not like that. It took me about 10 minutes to knock it up. I've been folding it, you know. That was this morning. Like I said, I couldn't eat 3 of them, so I only had 2. And I put this in a plastic bag in the fridge. This one. Let's let this pan heat up a little bit, and then we'll throw it in there. Yes, la 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 la. It's really easy to make, and all you need obviously is a bag of flour. Most people have got flour, I presume. If not, go to the shop and buy a bag. Yeah, right, let's just throw it in here now. It should be fine. I've not put any oil in. That'll be alright. So let's check this out. Dry cough, wet cough. It's not a COVID-19 cough, that's for sure. I'm going to pause this, and then you can see when it starts to get a bit browned up. Right. It's been in there for a few minutes now. Don't burn yourself. See, it's got some kind of little bubbly things. I like that. Yeah, see. I want it to kind of separate in the middle. See, it's bubbling up a bit here. Use this spatula. It's yeah, it's great bread, simple to make, good for curries and things, obviously, or whatever. That's looking nice. A bit like a pancake, really. Flat bread. And well, a few minutes, and we've got some nice bread there. Let me pause it again now. Yeah, so it's been in a few minutes, as you can see, getting browned off. I don't want to burn my fingers. That's why I'm using this bit of bamboo. Still needs to be done more on that side. I know, I'm boring, aren't I? Making bread at midnight. But from start to finish, this has probably taken, well, 15 minutes probably knocking up the door. Maybe it was only 10 minutes, I don't know, but I didn't time it or anything. I was just knocking it up until I thought, yeah, this is okay. Then I've split it into 3 portions. This is like, yeah, a small portion, this was. It was actually, you could split it maybe into 4 portions, you know. You could make it into 10 if you wanted to, depending on how big you want your pieces of bread. But I've made it a big one like this. Big. It's only a 9-inch pan, I think. So I want more on that side. Probably better just putting it straight on that, wouldn't I? It's a bit too smoky. I'll certainly browned it off. Right, we're going to say that this is done now, aren't we? Aren't we? That looks nice. That looks good enough to eat, so I think I will. And I'm just having a snack now, and I'll just show you how to make it. Turn that off, turn that off, turn my potatoes off. And here I've got some mango chutney, spicy mango chutney. I like that. So I'm going to go in the living room now and eat this up, and it's going to taste beautiful. Bye everyone. Well, as always, it's the Astral Thief. The earth is flat, and so is this flatbread. Bye.